In successful distribution and fulfillment operations, high uptime rates are vital to hitting daily performance targets and meeting customer service level agreements. Reliable uptime is the key to unlocking your distribution center's full potential, from maximizing labor productivity and system throughput to maintaining accurate performance metrics and reducing maintenance spend. But if you're like most DC operations, you're at the mercy of unplanned downtime events and lack the modern tools and insights needed to deliver measurable uptime and revenue gains. If only you could detect system issues and effectively manage risks before you experience downtime and incur significant recovery costs. With connected assets from Honeywell Intelligrated, you can address these common challenges and achieve up to $1.2 million in annual revenue and labor savings. By identifying and reducing common handling errors, you can recover up to $330,000 per year in labor productivity. Using our predictive approach to maintenance, you can reduce downtime by as much as 40% and reclaim up to $140,000 in idle labor costs. By leveraging system-wide performance insights, your DC can achieve measurable throughput gains. Even with an increase of 10 additional cartons per hour, connected assets can deliver another $720,000 in net annual revenue gains. At Honeywell Intelligrated, we believe digital transformation equals real business results. Let's take a look at how these gains are realized. Your outbound line sorter is essential for maintaining successful fulfillment operations. To keep things running at full capacity, you can't afford to get caught off guard with unplanned downtime events. Connected Assets by Honeywell Intelligrated is designed to help you detect, diagnose, and predict equipment issues before they can disrupt your operations. By connecting asset-level sensors and control system data via the Industrial Internet of Things, Connected Assets delivers insights on your equipment health and throughput status in real time. We start with a data model of your outbound line sorter conveyor system, then work with you to determine fault threshold parameters and key performance metrics, such as motor vibration and temperature, power consumption, cartons per minute, utilization, scanner read rate, sorter error rates, recirculation rate, after-sort lane capacity, jam frequency. Our intuitive software suite gives you access to live insights and historic trends, so you can act quickly and make informed decisions. It all starts with an alert from the Pulse mobile app. Pulse notifies you immediately of a fault condition, in this case, excessive vibration of a conveyor motor. Here, you can look at the live trend and evaluate other related factors, such as motor temperature, electrical draw, and sortation rates. To continue your investigation, Uniformance Asset Sentinel gives you visibility to a wider view of your system and the issue at hand. Live monitoring dashboards allow you to view the statuses of all system motors and then drill deeper into details about severe issues. Next, the fault tree view displays additional fault conditions of a specific asset, including its vibration levels and running motor temperature. Excessive vibration could indicate numerous issues, including a failing bearing, gearbox or drivetrain, or even a product wedged in the conveyor. Depending on the severity level, you can alert your maintenance crews to resolve issues immediately or address them during the next planned maintenance interval. A historical view of vibration on this motor could provide even more information. Uniformance Insight allows you to look at long-term trending data to investigate patterns of degradation. But this is just one example of how you can fully investigate an issue to limit downtime. These powerful tools can also be customized to display your operation's unique asset health and performance dashboards or trending data workspaces. For example, this motor sensing monitor allows you to view the vibration and temperature status of motors in your critical path. Issues are color-coded for minor, moderate, or severe status indicators. Another dashboard allows you to monitor line sorter performance indicators, such as downtime, no read rates, recirculation rates, lane availability, gap errors, and tracking rates. Or continually monitor key performance metrics and production insights, such as total cartons per day, sortation rates, throughput, and jam frequency. With these deep insights, you can not only resolve issues before they lead to downtime, you can also begin to predict failures. Put the power of connected assets to work for you and elevate your fulfillment productivity to new heights.